How to fix download failed in Chrome Android. So if you want to fix your download fail in Chrome Android, then first open up your settings. On your settings, you need to just scroll down a bit and open your apps. Go with manage apps, go with your search, and under search you need to search for Chrome. After searching, here if you scroll down, then you will have your app permissions. Make sure that you allow all of the permissions. Here if you scroll down, you will have your mobile data and Wi-Fi section. So go with mobile data and Wi-Fi, or you may also have data usage. If you tap on it, you will have background data. Make sure that it is turned on. You may also have another option which is unrestricted data usage. Make sure that option is also turned on. Once you've turned that on, now you can go back and open up your Chrome browser. After opening your Chrome browser, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and tap on settings. Now once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down a bit, then go with the download section. Once you tap on downloads, you'll have download location. Tap on download location. Make sure that your downloads is available. Make sure that you've selected your internal storage. After that, you need to update your phone if it's not updated. To update it, you need to open up your settings. Under settings, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find your system update. Or you can also go with your search. Under search, you can search for updates, and after that update your system. After updating, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your download fail in Chrome in your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.